This video is an all about formulas video. Now I will mainly be referencing chemistry and maths. Obviously physics has a lot of formulas as well, but I only did chemistry and maths for my leaving cert, so I can really only reflect on them. Obviously there are a lot of formulae in the log tables, but unfortunately because the State Exams Commission are really annoying, they make you learn off few more. And I'm going to be so harsh when I say this right now. If you do not know a formula, you cannot do anything for that question. You cannot even attempt it. If you don't know a formula, you will get 0. Especially with chemistry, when it comes to the titrations, you need to know formula. They will not be in the log tables. The only one that is in the log tables is the one for ordinary level, which sadly higher level students are not allowed to use. You will get 0 if you use it. Whilst a lot of chemistry formulas are actually in the log tables, it is worth looking at the electronegativity chapters, the water chapters, and the pH chapters, as well as the titrations, and seeing what formula are actually in the log tables. Coming back to maths, a lot of formula from the statistics chapter and probability chapter are not in the log tables. Obviously a lot are, but many are not, and it's normally the ones that you actually have to use that aren't in the log tables. And I'm just really going to put emphasis on this again. If you don't know a formula where you need to use that specific formula, you cannot do the question. It is that simple. And I don't even mean formulas in the log tables and the books. I mean actual formula on the calculators as well for maths to get the correlation coefficient. Things like that. You need to know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, that's marks you are wasting. As a last point, you really should have your log tables learned off by the time that you go to the exam. Not the actual formulas, but what is on what page, because you do not want to be wasting time flicking through the exam papers and the log tables trying to find a formula. And just as a side note, coming up to leaving cert, when you see videos like this, it is very easy to get stressed out about them because I might be saying things that you do not know. But try and take this as motivation rather than getting stressed out by it. So instead of saying, oh, I don't know this, I'm going to fail, instead say, I don't know this, I'm going to go and look at it and I'm going to learn it right now.